Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel.
What's up?
So today's another FPV day. We're here at it's Tommy's first time coming here, but I've seen this place before. It's not too far from my house. It's actually a school, but it's got like a little park and a big yard behind it and stuff for people to play in when school's not going on.
Yeah.
So we're up here and we're the only ones here, and we're just trying to have a little bit of fun with FPV. My drone's messed up right now, so Tommy said he would let me borrow his. So what we're gonna do is he's gonna take a turn first, and then I'm gonna take a turn.
Yeah. Well, I think I found my favorite spot to fly. There's this giant like pillar thing back here, and then
in a minute I'm gonna flip you around and show you what it looks like.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna flip you around and show you what we're gonna fly.
It's a good area for like beginners and
no trees, nothing in our way.
And then like as you get better, there's gaps and all kinds of like things to proximity fly and like power loop and stuff. I'm gonna kind of stay away from the school because I don't want to get stuck up there.
Yeah, we're gonna definitely be careful. We're just trying to learn. It's a great little field to learn.
Yep.
Let me flip you around and show you what it looks like. All right guys, so here's where we are. There's Tommy and his little drone with the goggles and the controller that we're gonna fly. And it's like a big old field with a chain link fence. We're gonna stay inside the chain link fence. And then over here's what we really thought was cool. It's like cement pillars. It's like a cement tunnel. And you gotta turn a sharp corner. And we thought it would look pretty cool. But here it is, guys. We're gonna get ripping it up and learn how to do some FPV. Roll that footage.
Roll that beautiful beam footage.
Yeah.
All right, I'm ready to take off.
All right, I'm recording. All right guys, Tommy just finished his flight. Hopefully you guys liked it. Let us know what you think about it. I'm gonna try to fly this thing and see what I can do. Don't laugh at me.
I might.
Are you recording? Yep.
Get it up. And he's off.
finally, high frequencies.
Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I got it. I actually had fun with FPV today. I'm getting the hang of it. The problem was the range on my drone, and I think it's a little bit too small. Not a good drone to start with.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna get it figured out. I definitely like it. I had fun.
Yeah. Trying to talk him into another drone, but he's stuck on the Tiny Hawk. Yeah. Well, what can you do?
Yeah. I'll figure it out.
Yeah. We'll figure it out. But had fun flying around.
Oh yeah, the second flight was mine, guys. After the middle part of the video, the second flight, that was me flying around.
Yep.
Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. We'll see you guys on the next video.
All right. Have a good one.
Love you guys.